The days of wondering if you are pregnant can feel like some of the longest of your life. There are a lot of emotions that come with anticipating pregnancy, and with good reason. Becoming a parent is the most desirable feeling. Enjoy together and live in tis special moments. Missing your period is the first sign that can indicate pregnancy. While one can always find test kits available in the market, homemade pregnancy kits have been used by women for decades. After very careful research, we have selected top 5 pregnancy test strips which are recommended by users and field experts. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in description. Number 1. First Response Early Result Pregnancy Test.
This is a brand that understands the kind of anxiety you're feeling now, and they've developed the superior science to make you feel assured that you can trust your answer. First Response detects all major forms of the pregnancy hormone, and it's the only brand with tests sensitive enough to detect HCG 6 days before your missed period. First Response tests can be used at any time of day, though HCG, the pregnancy hormone, is more concentrated in your urine the first thing in the morning. You should, though, take care to not drink or urinate 2 hours before taking your test. Place the tip in your urine stream for 5 seconds, taking care not to get the plastic stick wet. Or simply collect some urine in a clean, dry cup and dip the absorbent tip for 5 seconds for early result, 20 seconds for rapid result. Keep holding the stick with the tip pointing down. Replace the pink overcap and lay the stick on a hard, flat surface with a display window facing up. Now, here's the hard part, waiting for your result. And with rapid result, you won't have to wait very long, just 1 minute. With early result, there's not much of a wait either, just 3 minutes. Reading your result is simple. Any 2 pink lines means the pregnancy hormone HCG was detected, even though the shade of the second line may vary. 1 pink line means the pregnancy hormone HCG was not detected. It may look like it's next to a white line, a gray line, or an indent, but these all mean that you may not be pregnant, or it may be too early to tell. If you do not get your period within 7 days, you should retest at that time with another First Response pregnancy test.
Number 2. AccuMed Pregnancy Test Strips. AccuMed Pregnancy Tests contains 25 highly accurate early detection pregnancy tests to ensure the most consistent and clear results. Pregnancy test strip in 10 seconds. Tests can detect levels of HCG as low as 25 μ per milliliter in urine. Then read your results. 1 line is not pregnant, 2 lines is pregnant. Home pregnancy test with up to 99% accuracy and enjoy the most pleasurable moment of your life. Number 3. PREGMATE 50 Pregnancy Test Strips. You are pregnant, enjoy it, feel it will work 5 days before your missed period. PREGMATE pregnancy tests detect human pregnancy hormone HCG in urine. This hormone is produced by the cells of the embryo that will later form the placenta. 2 lines mean the test is positive and you are pregnant. Number 4. Easy at Home Pregnancy Test Strips Kit. Simply dip the test in your urine until the dye rises into the result window, approximately 5 to 10 seconds. 2 lines means pregnant and 1 line means not pregnant. No more guessing, no more worry. Boost your fertility with PREMOM Ovulation Predictor app. Upload images of your tests results all in place to track your results and see your ovulation cycle and patterns. Try the CBT 300 Smart Basal Thermometer to automatically sync your results with no manual input. Number 5. Clearblue Rapid Detection Pregnancy Test.
Tests are a favorite option for many, as nearly 3/4 of women prefer to test in their urine stream. They are convenient, hygienic, and easy to use. That's why all Clearblue tests are midstream tests and have been especially designed to meet your needs. Clearblue Plus Pregnancy Test has been designed to be easiest to use thanks to the ergonomically shaped handle and 50% wider tip. And the clear plus-minus results are very easy to read. For women wanting the peace of mind of results and words, there's Clearblue Digital Pregnancy Test with unmistakably clear results. Clearblue pregnancy tests are designed and extensively tested in our laboratories to give you the confidence that they are over 99% accurate from the day of the expected period, easy to use, easy to read, and can be used up to 5 days sooner than the missed period. Clearblue has helped millions of women around the world get the clarity that they deserve. At such an important time, don't leave it up to chance. Clearblue, the world's #1 selling brand in home pregnancy and fertility tests.